This 5-minute solution will show you how to read text out loud on iPhone. You can easily hear your text in just one click. So first of all, let's enable the option. Go to your settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap on spoken content and enable speak selection. After enabling this option, I'm gonna opening some text here. Now all you have to do is just tap and hold on the text and select the part you want to hear. Then here you will find this speak option. So tap on it.
To Apple Card users, you must add Apple Card to wallet on an iPhone or iPad that supports and has the latest version of iOS or iPadOS.
So this was the first method to read text out loud on iPhone. And the second option is again go to settings and here you will find this option speak screen. So enable this option, then swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen to hear the content of this screen. Now I'm gonna again opening the text and now I'm gonna swiping down with my 2 fingers from the top at the bottom.
Apple, stream now.
And here you will see this menu. Now if you tap on this play button, you will be able to read your text.
Drama, new season premieres the 13th of September.
So that's how we can read text out loud on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.